No, I'm recording. I'm swimming. Oh, sick.
Give me it, I'll tell you.
Why? Give me it, I'll tell you.
Oh shit, it's on fire.
Hey! Right now. Give me it.
Stay home last night and called me like.
I'm gonna get my drink.
Give me it.
Come on, I want recording
I
work.
want to record underwater. Give me it now.
I want to play with
it's
my
my turn.
camcorder.
It's my turn.
Almost done, okay? It's almost done! Stop! Ah, Dad!
Hey, give me it. Take it off. Take it off. I want to put my phone in there.
Watch this, boys and girls. Okay, it's recording.
You want more?
Let's start the energy drink versus a beautiful pool.
Hey guys, try to tip me. You guys get tipped me.
Give me it, Jack.
Okay, I'm done. Hold on.
Try to tip me first.
Uh-oh, looking in the water, boys and girls. Look in there.
You can't tip me.
Trying to get it out. Here it is. Monster energy drink. Alright, that's for proof of the video. See you in the next video.
You can't tip me!
Hold on, I gotta get out of the water and stop the video. Also, I gotta edit up the video.
Did you pop it?
Thanks a lot.
With my sharp teeth.
Don't pop it now. I want to catch it.
With my sharp teeth.
I'm not gonna record my phone.
Give me it.
No.
Bruh, really? It's not funny.
Give me it, Jack.
You popped my raft.
I want to put my phone in there.
You popped my raft.
Give me it.